In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 from lagging on PlayStation 5. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, close any games or applications running in the background. Then go ahead and reopen Black Ops 1 and check if the lag is gone. If the issue continues though, go ahead and press the PlayStation button, go to the power menu here, and select turn off PS5. Once the console is fully off, unplug the power cable for about 1 minute, reconnect it, turn the PS5 back on, and try the game again. If that doesn't work, go ahead and open the settings cogwheel in the top right, select users and accounts, go down to where it says other, restore licenses, select the game, and press restore. Once again, if this doesn't fix your problem, back out into the main settings page and go to network, then go to settings and press setup internet connection. Highlight your Wi-Fi network, press the options button and go to Wi-Fi frequency bands and set it to 5 GHz or 6 GHz only. Then open advanced settings and go to where it says DNS settings and set it to manual. And you're going to want to set your manual to what you see. The primary DNS should look like this, and then set your secondary DNS to what you see here. Then press OK. Restart the game and check if the game lag has been fixed. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.